Hey, hello everybody. Welcome to the shop. Thanks for stopping by. Today we're playing with the Wainlux K10 Pro 5-watt laser engraver. It's an 80 by 80 millimeter. It's great for doing small crafts, dog tags, keychains, things like that. Hooks up the light burn just like normal. It's got a USB-C cord that goes into the back. It can also run off of an app that they have with it, or you can download for it. Comes with a user manual, your safety glasses, brush, marker, a couple of small plates to burn on. The system has a protective shield around it. On the top, there's a power button and a start button if you're running it off the TF card off the back. If you open the cover, it will shut it off and set an alarm. As long as the cover is open, it will not run. So far, it seems to be a pretty cool little piece. Perfect for small piece projects. We're burning a quick test piece here to see how it works. So come back in a few moments. We'll see how it looks. All right, this burn will be done here in about 40 seconds or so. I like the way it looks so far through the protective shield. I think next thing we're going to try is it on a slate coaster. And then I'll also show you how it's aimed. All right, so there we have that. And now you'll see as I open the lid, the blue light starts flashing on the top, which puts it into a safety mode. But there we have our engraving just to test, see how it works. Nice, clean, no burning, nice edges. We're going to try it on a coaster now. Okay, so the first burn is done. Actually turned out very well. I've got another piece of slate in here. We're going to try it on a piece of slate. And as you can see, as I open up the lid, the blue light starts flashing. That's a safety feature. Also, if it tips over in any way, that'll trigger it too. So let's give it a shot on a piece of slate and see how this works on it. So we will see how this turns out here in about 10 minutes. And that one there is done. Let's lift the lid. And it turned out very well. Very, very well. Okay, so we got another project running in the K10. The first coaster turned out very, very nicely. I can't complain about that at all. Nicely engraved. Plywood, no burning. Aluminum dog tag, very nice. This one's going to be a test. This is an image on slate. I don't expect it to come out perfect because I don't know what the settings need to be, but we're going to find out. So stay tuned, let's see how it works. Okay, so after about 30 minutes of running it, we've run it through its paces now. Slate coasters, plywood, dog tags. Let's see what it can do on an image. That turned out very well. Very, very well. May need to up the power just a little bit, but I think it turned out really well. So if you're looking for a budget laser engraver to get started with, the Wainlux K10 will work great for you. Links for it are available, are down below. It's available on Amazon. I'm not sure of the cost. There's a couple of different ones. They run specials all the time. But thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by. And please like and subscribe to my videos to see more interesting tools like this one. Have a good one.